There it is.
Winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include North and Central Texas. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 7 p.m. Monday to
There's a broken tree limb there.
Impact. Unsecured outdoor items may be
My
blown
first
around in
ever
the
wind
wind.
advisory.
Driving on area roadways may become difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Minor tree limb damage is possible. A wind advisory means that sustained winds of 20 to 30 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Boaters should use caution when venturing onto area lakes. Residents may wish to take action to secure trash cans, lawn furniture, and other lightweight outdoor objects that may be blown around in the strong winds. The current time is 3:02.
My first ever wind advisory.